So let's see if it works well. Oh yeah, it works so well. And it goes on the fridge with magnets, so very easy to write a note. Camera kind of reflects a little bit, and there's a button to erase it. This is so cool. Every single part of it works. I don't even have to press it on it really hard, and it works super nice. One press, it comes off. This is cool. Okay, if you press it harder, it actually goes much thicker. If you don't press it very hard, very light, we have this light like pen. And if you push it hard, it's like a thick marker. Press it right here and comes off. Sorry about the camera reflecting, but this thing is awesome. I like it. Now let's stick on the magnets on the fridge. So awesome. Okay, how does this go back in? Locks in like that, easily. Dyson HP04 hot and cold air purifier. Okay, the nice thick long cord. Let's plug it in. Comes with the on and off button down here, and comes with the remote control. When it's get too cold or too hot, don't have to get up and turn it off. Let's look at the display. It's set at 73 and the fan is up right here. Okay, 10. All I'm doing is pressing 10 settings. And then all the way to 1, I guess. Yeah, and off. Okay, let's do it on maximum. Okay, let's see what this red button is for. Okay, temperature. It says how warm it is in a house, looks like 73. So we can turn it down to cool it off. Oh yeah, now it's blowing. It's cool right now, feels really good. And now if I turn it up to 70, 73, now it's going to blow warm. Okay, now the heat kick in. Takes few seconds. Oh yeah, it's really warm. Wow. It's not just a warmer, it's also purifies the air. Okay, let's put it down to 73. It's really nice to listen to that fan noise. Very compact. Definitely blowing heat at 73. Feels really warm. And timer. 30-minute timer. We could probably add on to it. 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and timer off. That's cool. On the battery, it looks like one of those skinny, thick batteries. Okay, and there is a filter that tells you if it needs to be changed or not. Very interesting. Okay, how do we take off filter? Both sides spins this way, pretty much 360, and it goes up and down. So it pushes up and spins. That is good. And same thing down, spins the other way. How do we remove the filter? Okay, there's a button, down, down. There's a really nice filter in here. Push and slide it out. Oh. Same thing right here. Push and slide it out. Probably should turn it off. Also, there is another filter here and another filter right here. Removable. Okay. To put it back in. 1, 2. What I have learned, better to do the bottom first and then the top. And it locks in all the way too. Beautiful, both sides. Okay, this is like a pliers or adjustable wrench, except it has this extra grip. Wow. So push and adjust it. This is so cool. So if you want to adjust it halfway, when it's closed, it's another extra adjustment. so that way it gets really tight. For example, I need to take down this board. We can adjust it and grab it so easily. This used to be a really old solar panel, and it is easily adjustable. I don't have to think about it, just level it up and then the pinch will do its thing. Smeg juicer. So this comes off. This side here comes off for cleaning. This comes off for cleaning, and all the juice will stay in this side here. So very easy to clean, and there's a lock and unlock, so the juice doesn't come out when we don't want it. And this shouldn't even be like dirty after using it. Okay, very easy to put it back together. Let's plug it in. Perfect thick wire, long enough. Okay, there's a glass. And now it's in a unlock position, lock position. So let's see how it works. All we have to do is just put the orange on top of it, or citrus, and it will juice it. And as soon as I let it go, it'll stop. Make sure we get everything. Okay, that's good. One more, really juicy orange juice. Let's press this, and it spills it right away. Wow. So let's see how it goes from one orange juice. This is nice. Lots of orange juice coming through, and this is just one orange, medium-sized orange. I think it does a really good job. Let it go. It'll stop. Make sure we get everything. Beautiful. So it stopped dripping. Lift it up. It clog it up. Sweet. Unplug it for cleaning. Remove all that. And this part should be completely clean. Okay, I just rinse it off. Let's put it back in like that. I should go inside like this all the way. That's it. And the cover goes back on. Stanley Classic Picture Set. Very nice. Well packaged. I like this kind of packaging. Wow. That looks really big. Pulls up right here. It has a rubber ring around it, so it has a really tight fit. And there is a little strainer for lemons and lemonade and all type of different like juices. That is so awesome. And obviously this pitcher is going to be insulated, so it will keep the ice cool longer. I mean, keeps it melting it without melting it longer. And then there's little glasses, like beautiful juice glasses, and it will keep the ice and keep the drink colder much longer. This is nice. There's some markings in the back. Yeah, this is a really big picture. I like it. Holster tape measuring clip, metal, heavy duty plastic, and there's a clip. Opens up and down. Okay, let's plug it in. Goes on the belt, and there's one measuring tape. There's a second one. Wow. Okay, let's do a close up. Super easy, metal, sits in there so nice and tight. Okay, let me see. Easy to put it in and out. That's good. Smaller clip right here. Wow, I like that.
Do it without even looking. It's like a feel. You just feel it.
That's awesome. Vertex rangefinder. So Ranger 1800. There's a measure, menu, nice clip. Okay, and the batteries will be in here. Let's open it up. One of these. Oh, what kind is this battery? CR2. A bit harder to do it with the camera, much easier to do it, level it up onto the eye. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, let's measure. Okay, 82 yards. Nice. The tree I think is 62 yards. 61 yards out of 3. The barn is 83 yards. Let's see how far can we point it at. 468 yards on those trees. Wow, that's far. There is a sits on a tripod so that way it doesn't shake. Yeti Rumbler 30 ounces traveler mug. It says really stone lid. It's twist. It is a double insulated, so it's pretty hefty and stone. It has a pointy end to it, so it fits the cup holders. This actually took me a minute to figure it out. Push down and up, and then to close it. And this is on a magnet. Easy disassembly. This twist off, comes off for cleaning. Rubber comes off, locks in. And the cool thing, push it up, it's not going to work. Push it and lift it, and then forward. Easy. There's a sippy cup, then push it down. Push down and forward. Without pushing it on the edge over here, it will not open. So that is really unique. Okay. Close it back up. Close it, push, forward. Very easy. Push, slide.